Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily. If you're new here, I'm the Bronze Wolf. Now, as you can probably see from the title, we are going to be doing some TikTok potion making again.
I'm actually revisiting a video idea that I did back in October 2021, this time taking some suggestions from the comments of that video. Shout out to Jeremiah Fletcher for taking the time to watch my video and give me some tips. The two main steps I changed was using all isopropyl alcohol instead of mixing it with water, as well as better protecting against leaks by coating the corks with clear nail polish instead of just relying on the E6000 to give a good seal. Something else I do differently is not adding as much mica powder. I found that adding too much to the bottle impedes the swirling factor and the content settles too quickly. Continuing the trend from the last time I did this, I did use water-soluble food coloring to add more depth to the bottles, and it creates this more mystifying effect rather than just relying on the mica powder. Following some more suggestions from the comments of the original video, I invested in a proper wax seal stove and spoon, as well as the proper wax chips. These are a game changer, honestly, from the candlestick style wax melts. It made everything so much easier, and I also got a nice collection of stamps to use. One of the bottles I did forget to wrap because I kind of spaced out on what I was doing and immediately just started pouring the wax over it. But I did my standard kind of twine wrapped around the neck of the bottle with a little charm that was unique or matched the kind of vibe of the bottle. Like for this one, for the snake oil, it was a glass cylindrical charm wrapped in wire that I did a couple of years ago, and I just haven't used it for anything. And then just the kind of very unique swirl of purples and black and gold over the top of the cork to help seal that in, which has been covered in the nail polish and the E6000. I know this has just been a quick video and not super exciting. If you want a more tutorial-like video on how to do this, go check out part 1. I'll have it linked above as well as in the description. Go ahead and try it with these changes though, because you will get better results. The potions that I made in 2021 are still holding up really well. They're actually on my bookshelf. I'm really happy with how these turned out, and thank you so much again to Jeremiah Fletcher for taking the time to give me some pointers.
Don't forget to comment down below what you might have done differently, or like what colors you might have done for each label instead. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button. I'm about a quarter of the way to being able to monetize my channel and make money off of the content that I create. Again, thank you so much for dropping in, and I'll see you later. Bye!